Hey y'all, it's Virginia. Well, that's not Virginia. That's actually a shrimp. But I am Virginia and I'm here to teach you on how to peel a shrimp. So the first thing you want to do is when you're choosing shrimp, they need to be firm, they need to be pliable. If the shells are fairly intact like these are, that means they've been treated gently. And that's what you want to look for. And you also want to make sure it smells sweet and clean like the ocean. It does not need to smell fishy. So to peel the shrimp, the first thing I want to do is I'm just going to reach on the underside and start peeling, and I rotate the shrimp, and every time I come to the underside, I simply peel back the shell and keep going around. Now there's a huge debate, tail on or tail off. I like to leave the tail on because I think it's really pretty in a dish, but obviously if you're going to eat the whole thing, sometimes that can be problematic. If you are going to take the tail off, what you want to do is just give it one more pinch down in there and peel that back, because you want to make sure to get every last bit of the shrimp, which is down in the tail. Okay, so there's the tail. We're going to get rid of that. And then now you'll see this shrimp has this vein in there, and I'm going to take a small paring knife, and there are lots of gadgets that you don't need to buy. You just need to use a paring knife and then pull that back. Now I'm glad I chose this one because the dark is the intestine and the orangish color is actually roe. Roe is completely edible, but the intestine can taste kind of gritty, and you just want to use the tip of your knife to get on in there and get out that shrimp. And there you go. So we have a perfectly cleaned, peeled, and deveined sweet Georgia shrimp. Bon appetit, y'all.